Hey, Dana here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. Well, we're having issues with her 96 Ford Mustang with the cooling system. I just went to try and start it, and it locked. It would not. The cylinders would not go through. It was like a solid rock. Let me see if I can find a place for this. It was like it just stopped, would not start. And I just played with it for a couple of clicks, and then it finally started. But it's running really, really rough. And I'm definitely missing one of the cylinders. Which means we definitely have a head gasket situation. Oh, there it went, smoothed out. Which means one of the cylinders isn't firing because there's coolant in the cylinder. So we're going to get this, we're going to try one of the head gasket sealer formulas, and we're going to see if that fixes it. If not, we're going to have to frickin' take the heads off, and I'm not looking forward to that. And I think I've actually got a perfect example is blowing white smoke. So that's an example right there that you've got a head gasket issue. I don't know which cylinder it is yet, but we're going to get that head gasket kit in there, and we're going to go from there. And it smells like antifreeze. No. Great. Something else to fix. Hey. As you can see, my engine temp, the thermostat just opened up, I guess, because it just shot. Engine temp just shot right on up there. I got less than 200 yards left, so it'll be all right. Shot right on up there. It was cool, and all of a sudden it shot right up. So where we're at, stay tuned. Check to make sure those fans are running. As you can see, it's caught up with me. You can see it in the back window. And I've got maybe the fans are running. I definitely definitely sucking antifreeze. Yep, fans are running, so that part of it's okay. Like I said, I just got home. So that's an example of a blown head gasket. That's going to be a good example of whether the head, depending on which head gasket kit we buy, repairs it. Because we won't see any more white smoke coming out of there. I wish I knew which cylinder it was. I may run it here in a few minutes and pull plugs on it, because one of the plugs is not going to be firing if you've got antifreeze being sucked into the cylinder. I'm going to go ahead and get looking for the leak head gasket repair from Bars Leak, and we've got a nice little savings here. They're going to check it out, see what my number was going to give me, but I'm going to at least get a 20% discount on whatever I buy. We got all kinds of. There's your cooler. There's the cooling system. liquids from bars leak. And you move down a little bit further, now you're starting to move into the head gasket. You got Blue Devil, K-Seal, then you get your bars leaking, and they have all four of them. You get your copper, and then next step, it depends on what you want to pay, and then you run over here to nanotechnology, K&W, of course back into bar seal, Blue Devil. So we're going to go ahead and get the permanent, professional grade, guaranteed lifetime warranty, and you get to send in. You get a $10 rebate plus whatever the 25% discount is on this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this. I was thinking about going ahead and start out by using the cheaper one, but you're only talking less than $10 between the two of them. So I'm going to go ahead and use the professional, and we will see what the results are. I must have got down here just in time because this is the last one.